क्या रिया चक्रवर्ती को होगी जेल? क्या जेल के चक्कर काटने पड़ेंगे रिया चक्रवर्ती को? क्या पुलिस करेगी रिया चक्रवर्ती को गिरफ्तार? You guys must be thinking that I am repeating the same thing again and again, but this is what you people love to watch. And trust me, most of you guys won't even watch this video till the end and won't even like it because this video is very informative and you people love masala, and I'm not providing you with any masala content, right? And if you manage to watch this video till the end, drop a comment saying I did it in the comment section down below. Hello and welcome back to my show Reach Out Loud with your wonderful host Rishika Gosai. And in today's episode, we will be talking about the crap that Indian news channels telecast. We all tend to watch news channels that has a masala tadka to it. Masala tadka according to you is what? CID? Saas Bahu or Sazish? Modi ji versus Rahul Gandhi? And the trending thing, Riya Chakravarti's black magic. Decline in India's nutrition value is not a masala content, and that is why it is never on trending. We all know that media has this power of manipulating the public, right? And therefore it is very important for the media to show us what is important, informative, and the most importantly what is true. They just can't show you all the crap and shit. Just ask yourself, how many times have you seen a news related to the economy or this poverty, unemployment? Very rarely, I guess. Why? Maybe because they are not catchy enough. People want to see things like शादी के बाद पति भाग गया एक गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ, या फिर इसको देखने के बाद आपकी दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो जाएंगी. You know, sometimes media show things which are not even true just for the sake of viewers. They just want topic from every side. There was this news getting viral about the civil service examination, and it was claimed that the number of Muslim people were more according to the Indian people. It was said that the UPSC is passing the Muslim people purposefully so that the whole country could get in control of the Muslims. I mean, like, seriously, you people are trying to build a mentality of the people against the system of selection of IPS and IS officers in India. कुछ भी मतलब. Thankfully, the High Court interviewed and stopped the telecast. There was another claim about the increase in Muslim population in India, and the news suggested that due to constant increase in the population of Muslim, till 2029 the country will become a Muslim country. The reality is the Muslim population has witnessed a constant decline. I know it is hard for you to decide which news is fake and which news is true. We people trust media blindfoldedly, and therefore it is their duty to show us what is the reality. And this is not just the limit to a news. We all know about the debates that a private news channel conducts. So let me give you one example. The news channel called Baba Om Dev. He was an ex-contestant of Bigg Boss. And we all know his behavior towards women. We also seen things happened inside the house, and still they tried calling him. Naturally, the panelists couldn't tolerate his nonsense, and however the debate went to the next level where the panelists started beating Baba Om Dev. We do fight on debates, but verbally, not physically. Not to mention, this was done just for the TRP. The news these days are dominated by Sushant Singh Rajput case. While it is important to find the culprit, you can totally see the kind of craps on the news channels. You can't ignore the important issues just to give your news channel a good TRP. It is high time now. Media can't fool people like this. They can't play with public's emotions. We trust you blindfoldedly, and we expect you to show what is need to be shown. It is your duty to make us informed about the things happening in the world and around the country. As I said in the beginning, if you're still watching this video, then my friend, you have already started a revolution towards opposing news that is totally crap. Do share this video and your thoughts in the comment section down below. Thank you.